honey joys. Oh, I remember them from all those amazing parties I went to as a kid. And of course, they do bring joy because it has all the favourite ingredients that kids and big kids love to have. So essentially, we're going to get these cornflakes into a bowl. Now, I'm going to keep this simple. I'm not adding any extra flavours. I'm going to do it the traditional way. In a pot, we're going to add some butter. So a few knobs of butter. To that, some sugar. So you do need the sugar because it is going to help firm these up in the oven as they cook. We're going to melt that away. And then the key ingredient to this is some really good quality honey. This honey is exceptional. It's raw and it's natural and it's been cold extracted. So just think cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. It means that it's got all of its beautiful flavours still intact. So you want about 3 tablespoons of the honey. We really want to taste that. And then we're just going to allow everything to melt together. Once that's bubbling away, we can pour it onto our cornflakes. All right, our buttery honey mixture is bubbling, so we're going to take it off the heat and then pour it all over the cornflakes. Great. Give that a really good stir so all the cornflakes are coated in the honey. And I've just lined a 12-hole muffin tin with some patty pans, all different colours, and then we can fill it. So I'm just going to remove that wooden spoon. It's just easier with 2 dessert spoons. And we're going to fill them up about 3/4, maybe even a little more than that. Obviously, they're not going to rise or anything like that. They're just going to stick together and become super crispy. Now, I do have some sprinkles, but we don't want to put them on yet because we need to put them in the oven. I've preheated my oven to 150 degrees, and they're going to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. That's how easy it is. These have just come out of the oven, and my tip is to add the sprinkles while they're still hot so they stick nicely. So a little sprinkle of the hundreds and thousands. This is totally optional, and then allow them to cool. You can't eat these hot, they have to be cool, so you have to be patient before you serve them at your next party. And I guarantee if you make these at your next party, they're going to be the first thing to go.